A single vat of full-fat cow milk, worth almost nothing, becomes a premium brie wheel that sells for $40 a pound. Industrial cheesemakers in America follow a precise sequence: culture the milk, cut the curd, drain the whey.
That mold is not an accident, it is the blueprint. It breaks down the paste from the outside in, building the buttery
In the next 8 minutes, I'll walk through all 6 production stages, start to finished wheel.
But before it becomes a $40 wheel, it's just fresh milk. And that journey begins here.
Our milk comes from Holstein herds grazing on limestone-rich pastures in Wisconsin's driftless area. Every morning at 4 a.m., the milk is drawn and instantly cooled to 38 degrees. Within hours, the tankers arrive here, where every batch is tested for butterfat, protein, and antibiotics before it's accepted. Only milk with at least 3.6% butterfat makes the cut for our brie. From there, it's held in refrigerated silos, ready for transformation. Step 1. Pasteurization. The milk is heated to 161 degrees for 15 seconds to eliminate pathogens while preserving flavor. It's then flash-cooled to 90 degrees, the perfect temperature for the cultures to thrive. Mesophilic starter cultures and a touch of Penicillium candidum spores are whisked in. This is where the blueprint begins. Rennet is added, and within 30 minutes, the milk transforms into a delicate, wobbly gel.
From this, E to this. That's the magic we're about to deconstruct. First, the gel is cut into half-inch cubes. This is the curd.
As the curds are cut, they release whey, the liquid that must be removed to concentrate the solids. The curds are stirred for 20 minutes to firm up and expel more whey singeing, without cooking, to keep the paste tender. After stirring, the curds are left to rest, sets, a moment called healing, where the curd firms just enough. Now the curd is transported to the molding room, still suspended in a little whey. The curd is ladled into classic brie molds, perforated hoops that let whey drain freely. Even in high production, a human eye ensures every mold fills evenly, no shortcuts. Over the next hour, gravity alone removes most of the whey, no pressing, preserving the delicate structure.
After draining, each wheel is flipped. This ensures an even shape and uniform moisture content.
The wheels continue draining for several hours, developing their characteristic flat disc shape. Once unmolded, the wheels are dry salted, and this draws out more moisture, firms the rind, and seasons the paste. Some makers prefer a brief brine bath instead tea. Both methods start building the savory notes. Now the living blueprint is applied. Penicillium candidum is sprayed evenly onto every wheel. These spores will germinate, spreading a velvety white coat that defines brie. The wheels are wheeled into ripening rooms, kept at exactly 50 degrees and 95% humidity. Over the next 2 weeks, the mold will thicken, forming the edible rind. Every 2 days, each wheel is turned backhand, ensuring even mold growth and preventing sticking. Day by day, the white bloom becomes denser, knitting into the cheese's signature rind. Temperature and humidity never deviate. A single fluctuation could kill the mold or over-ripen the paste. When cut, a perfect brie should bulge gently. The paste, now broken down by mold enzymes, is buttery and flowing. That earthy, mushroomy aroma is the fingerprint of Penicillium candidum, what brie lovers crave. Each wheel is hand-wrapped in breathable paper, then dressed in a gold foil seal, mungers, the mark of premium.
A custom embossed seal identifies it as our creamery's top-grade Brie. Wheels are packed in traditional wooden crates that allow air circulation, even during transit. From here, the cheese enters the cold chain, staying at 40 degrees until it reaches the counter. Just 48 hours later, it arrives at specialty retailers across the country. At the shop, a skilled monger knows each wheel, checking ripeness by touch and aroma. For a connoisseur, that perfect golden rim and downy white coat promise exactly the experience they seek.
At $40 a pound, the wheel is a small luxury pontiz, but one built from a month of science and craft.
And when that wedge is lifted, the entire blueprint, the FIDS, from grass to mold to gold cold, fulfills its purpose. Earthy, buttery, with a hint of mushroom scrumel, the taste that launched 1,000 cheese boards.
This is the destination, a quiet moment of perfection.
But of course, the cycle starts again at 4 a.m.
New milk arrives, and the blueprint repeats. Reliable, deliberate. Every wheel passes through dozens of hands, each performing one small, critical gesture. After 3 weeks, the ripening room holds a library of ready-to-ship gold. Every batch is inspected, rind integrity, aroma, texture, before release. The finished wheels ride to the cold storage packing line, ready for the world. By the time you see it on a shelf, it has traveled from pasture to pallet in under 30 days. And somewhere, a customer will sit down to a perfect wedge, never knowing the blueprint flippers, but tasting every step. That's the Brie Blueprint. 6 stages, 1 vision, and a wheel worth $40 a pound.
I'm assembly built. Thanks for walking the blueprint with us.
Every frame in this video is handcrafted from concept to final edit. A real human guides every step using AI tools. All content is original and follows YouTube 2026 monetization rules.